Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with me. So today we are doing eyeshadow eyebrow tutorial. So first thing first, it's gonna be a quick one. This is microblading. So I'm setting my eye with the lightest amount of powder I have. So I'll be going with this other part again. You will let the powder sit into your face. Let it sink into your face. So let it sink into your face. So now we can start working. Have a pencil like this, well sharp. Don't apply too much pressure. This part of your eyebrow, you are shading it in. Then when it comes to this part of your eye, if the pencil is no longer pointed, you can change it and take another one that is well pointed. Okay, then you go in like this. This is the magic in the eyebrow that will make it look like microblading. You see it's looking very nice. Don't apply pressure. Just go in very soft. Don't apply pressure. Okay, this is it. If in case you didn't get this part, I'll be doing this other part. I'm going in with this other brush again. If you like, you can go in with glue to slip in your brow. I don't want to use glue to slip my brow. I want it to be more defined, as if that is my brow. Because if I go in with the glue, my brow will be kind of sticky, just stick to the face, and I don't like the feelings I get with it. So it's optional if you want to go in with your with glue. This other part of it, just keep shading it out. Just shade it out, shade it out, shade it out. And when you come to this part, you are done shading it out. You go in with a very sharp pencil. Don't apply pressure. Just be firm with it. For those of us that like our brow to be very, very close like this, huh? Those of us that like our brow to be close. Yeah. It's like this. So if you want, I'm still later going to shape it out. So just stay behind and watch this transformation. So right now I'm going to go in with my concealer to finish the look. I'll be using a flat brush to go in with my concealer. So I start from this part to make it well defined. Then go in with another brush. To blend it out. So I'll be doing on top of this other part before I go on top. I tell you, this is going to be a microblading eyebrow tutorial. So guys, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. There is more to learn on this channel. There is more to learn on this channel. There is more to learn on this channel. So subscribe. You can also share my video with your friends and family. So those people who are struggling with their bra, this is the easiest way to get this 2023 bra. So for those of us who are still doing 1999 bras, please come and join us in 2023, okay? So now I'll be going with a color that match my skin to define the top of the brow. To define the top of the brow so that it does not look too sharp there. This under is okay because when you apply your eyeshadow on the rest, you still have this little bit of shiny, bright color on top. So I'll be going in like this. If you're someone who like big brows, you can just line it away. But for me, I'm going to do the brow because I was sketching it so it was big. So I'll define it to my taste now. Okay, guys, you can see the transformation is coming. It's coming alive. I told you it's gonna be microblading. So if you're someone who fight with your brows every morning before you go out, or Sunday morning, just before you watch this video up to 2 times. The concealer I use is very, very liquid, so it's shining, but I'm later going to go into this concealer with a powder palette to set it, to make it more defined. Okay, then I'll be going in with this. I'll be going in with my concealer into the other part of the eyes. I'll be taking it like this to make the both look alike. So yeah, I'm going to recorrect this brow. It's not too late to recorrect, because this product I'm using to line it is oily. So okay, guys, then I'm still going to go back with my brush and blend it out. To make it look more natural, because I already line on top, but you see I also took out from it to make it equal. That was why I lined on top of it. Your normal eyebrow does not slip from the beginning, except you use brush. So it's like this, it's kind of scattered like that. Oh god. So last but not the least, I'm going to go in with my powder palette. I'm going to use a lighter shade first on this area of my brows to set it. So no matter what I add to this brow today, I don't lose this color I have at the end. And this concealer is so oily, so with this powder, it's as if I'm using it to bake it. I don't need to touch the top of my brow with powder. I don't need to touch it because the foundation will do the rest. But this part is, for me, is very, very important. It's sick. It's as if I'm baking it. Anything I'm adding to it is coming to redefine it. So hope this makeup, this brow tutorial help you guys a lot. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go and do so. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and do so. This is the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful for you. Have a nice day. Please check on my rest video. I'll be coming on live today, and please go and check your girl out, okay?